Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be checking out the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer in the Active trim. Guys, now before we get started with the video, I know a lot of you are in the market for a new, used, or even a Chevrolet Trailblazer. If you guys want the absolute best price on any new or used vehicle, click the link in the description to get a free quote sent to you today. But without further ado, let's check out all the awesome features on the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer Activ. So here we go, starting up front on the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer Activ. Up front, we're going to have a black Chevrolet bow tie. We also have this unique grille with these kind of matte gray gloss kind of accents to it. Really interesting color right there inside the grille. You also have your turn signals above here. These are your headlights, and overall, a really good looking front end on this compact SUV. Now underneath the hood, you're going to have a 1.3 liter turbo 3-cylinder. Moving to the wheels, since it is the Active trim, you're going to have these all-terrain looking tires. These are Hankook Dynapro AT2s. The size on these is going to be 225, 60, 17s. So good looking 17-inch wheels on this vehicle, has black with silver accents and the black Chevrolet bow tie in the center. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice this one has the white roof. On the roof as well, you're going to have cross rails that you can have installed on the little holes right there. So you can have one cross rail up front and one for the back to put your luggage on top of this vehicle. But side profile looks absolutely fantastic. This is a sporty looking off-roadish kind of Trailblazer for 2024. Plastic accents all the way around towards the bottom to help keep that paint protected. White mirror caps. Also inside the mirror caps, we're going to have blind spot monitoring. So that little car right there will light up orange if there's something in your blind spot. Also comes with keyless entry, so you can lock or unlock the vehicle with the key in your pocket. Moving toward the rear of this vehicle, we have dual exhaust tips for that 1.3 liter 3-cylinder Trailblazer Activ in a black Chevrolet bow tie. You can also see your taillights here as well that wrap all the way around to the rear fenders. Great looking styling elements on this vehicle with this kind of spoiler up top. Let's go ahead and open up the trunk of this vehicle. There's a button down here that you can press. And we have all of this cargo room inside this vehicle. Also underneath, you'll see we have our spare tire, which is a donut. But tons of storage room back here. You can also put down the second row if you need more space as well, just like that. You can do that on both sides. And in order to lay down flat, the passenger seat needs to be moved up to the appropriate length. But great cargo space inside this vehicle. Manually closing tailgate, so you just put it down just like that. Also, we have our fuel fill-up. So if we open this up, you'll see we have a cap that we can take on or off. This vehicle will take 87 octane gas or above. Now, moving to the rear seats inside this vehicle, we have a lot of plastic going on inside of here. Hard plastics all the way around the door. We have soft plastic for your elbows, storage up top, storage down below, and we have our window control and door controls as well. Inside the Activ, we're going to have yellow stitching on the sides of the back seats, pleather all the way around. Let's go ahead and take a seat inside of here and see how much space we have. So I'm 6 foot tall on a good day with shoes on. Plenty of legroom, plenty of headroom. There's also handles back here, coat hangers, and lights. There's storage behind the driver seat, but not behind the passenger seat. As you can see, we have it up there. Really nice back seat area. You should be able to fit 2 full-size adults. There's also a cup holder right in the middle as well that you can use as an armrest. But let's go ahead and hop out and take a look up front where all the magic happens. Same accents up here, except we have this kind of denim with yellow stitching on the sides. All of our window controls in one place. Mirror controls, unlock, lock, door handle, window locks, storage up top, and storage down below. Power driver's seat, but the passenger seat is fully manual. Up front, we're going to have the Activ embossed inside the headrest. Denim accents with the yellow stitching and yellow piping all the way down the sides of these seats. Let's hop inside and hit the start button so she'll come to life. So first thing we notice is we have these two digital displays. This one right here will show your miles per hour, your fuel range, how hot the motor is in miles. Tons of good information inside of here. It'll also show you your safety features such as forward collision. You can notice we have a gap adjust, so 3-car, 2-car, or 1-car length. Cruise control, heated steering wheel, and on this side we can scroll up and down, go to our music, or go to our phone. There's also hands-free voice commands, call dropping, and we have a black Chevrolet bow tie in the middle of the steering wheel. Leather wrapped steering wheel with black stitching. Behind the steering wheel we're going to have paddles, so on this side you can go up and down through your music, and on the right side you can turn your volume up or down. Wiper controls on the right side, and on the left side you're going to have your headlight controls. Automatic headlights in this vehicle that you can cut on or off, and you can also cut on your fog lights. Here's where we open up the hood, so you just pull on this latch. A little bit of extra storage inside of there for random stuff. But moving to the middle, we're going to have 2 AC vents, one for the driver and one for the passenger. Pretty standard glove box, pretty decent storage space inside of there. Storage cubby down below here. It is not a wireless charger. Automatic stop start, lane keep assist, traction control. We have a sport mode and a snow mode. Up here we're going to have a cigarette lighter port, USB-C and USB. Now here's our shifter. The way you shift it is you push this button up here, pull back for reverse, and you'll notice we have our backup camera, which is super crisp and super clear. We can also go into neutral, drive, or L mode. Electronic parking brake, you just pull up to activate and push down to deactivate. 2 cup holders, kind of a phone holder right here in the middle, storage right below the shifter, and a center console with a removable storage cubby. Moving up to our AC controls, we can go to cold or hot, heated seats on the driver and passenger side, and our fan speed is right here on the right. Now we have this really nice touchscreen inside this vehicle where we can turn on or off our audio, adjust our volume. There's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto inside this touchscreen, and there's a few different tabs for music, phone, vehicle status, or your home button. Inside the vehicle status tab, you'll be able to see your trip odometers, all of your gauges, and your maintenance reminders. Here's your phone tab where you compare different phones, and audio where it has built-in AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio. You can also connect your phone up with Bluetooth or use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Moving up here, we have a makeup mirror for the driver and passenger side, handles right above the driver and passenger seat with your rear view mirror. Now there's OnStar buttons up here. OnStar does come free for a free trial when you purchase a new Chevrolet. Light controls up here, but overall a very nice interior on this car. Now it is a pretty good bang for the buck, so stick around for the end of this video where I will go over the price. Also, let me know what you guys think of the inside and outside of the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer in the comments down below. But what we'll do now is we'll take one last look at the outside, and we'll take a look at the price and review all the options that this one has. Also, let me know what you guys think of this color combo on this one. Do you guys like the silver with the white roof? It's a pretty good looking package in my opinion, but let me know in the comments down below. Pretty quiet on the outside, has a very quiet idle due to that motor being pretty small. But let's go ahead and review the window sticker on the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer front-wheel drive Activ. This will come in either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, just depending on what it's equipped with. Exterior color is sterling gray metallic with the jet black interior. 1.3 liter turbo with the CVT continuously variable transmission. Base price of the Activ is going to be $27,100. You'll also notice we have a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, which is pretty good. 11-inch touchscreen, 3 years of remote access with OnStar, so you can use your cell phone to unlock, lock, or remote start this vehicle. These are all the standard features. The only package this one has is the Driver Confidence Package, which is the $395 option. That comes with rear cross traffic alert, rear park assist, lane change alert with side blind zone alert. So total options is $395. Destination charge from General Motors is $1,295. So that brings the total vehicle price all the way up to $28,790. Here's all the safety ratings on this vehicle and very good gas mileage as well. We're going to get 29 city, 33 highway with 31 miles per gallon combined. Here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause the video and take a look at it. But that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer Activ with me. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below for more car content. I have tons of car videos on my YouTube channel, so feel free to scroll through them and check out the ones that you like. But my name is Joshua McDonald. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.